What's up, guys? Welcome back to day 3 of turning $1 into World Cup tickets. Yesterday we started from just $12, but we bought some waters, scaled up our business, sold some more waters and popsicles, had a very successful day and ended up with about $95. We are currently about 1/4 of the way to the World Cup tickets, so let's see if we can have another good day today.
Let's go, baby. Let's go. What's up, guys? Day 3, we're back. We got a new strategy. We had a great day yesterday, sold out of all our waters. If you guys didn't watch that video, make sure y'all go watch it. Got another new cameraman. I'm here with Joshua, new cameraman. Yep. So he'll be our cameraman for the day. Hopefully, if things go well. Otherwise, we'll see if he quits or not. But let's go. We're at Walmart.
After 2 days of selling drinks, I decided we needed to switch things up. So we headed to Walmart to buy the stuff for our new plan.
Let's go get some window. We're gonna clean some windows today. So we're gonna go to the window cleaning section, buy some stuff, and we're gonna clean windows.
Dawn and water mixture to clean windows. You didn't record shit, right? Alright, it says for everyday indoor use commercial window spray, but we're not doing that. But we're using, for heavily soiled or outdoor windows, use Dawn and water. So that's what we need to do because we're going to be outdoors. So let's get some Dawn.
But what the hell?
Alright, guys, we have a little bit of a problem not finding any squeegees in the cleaning aisle. So we might have an issue. We might have to switch locations, but they have everything except the squeegee and the scrubby dubby thing, you know what I mean? Right, cameraman?
Oh, bro. Oh, hell no.
This one, guys. It's double-sided. It's $20.97. It's a little pricey, but maybe we just do this. Wait, I actually don't need this one. Sorry.
A damn boner reference.
Hate the Sixers. Go Celtics, baby. Look, bucket, guys. Cameraman has, can you show him the thing? We got double-sided window cleaner. This has to work, otherwise we're gonna lose all our money, guys. So we're gonna check out. This should be about $15 taken off. This is a lot of money, but we'll see. We'll see how it goes.
All right, let's go. That's part of the video.
We at cameraman's house. We got a bucket, fill it up 1/5 of the way, and we'll put some Dawn soap, and then we're gonna go see if we can clean some windows. Tell me when to stop. Oh my god.
Tell yourself when to stop.
Wait, what is that? There's a
Dude, didn't you just buy this? Why is there a bug in here?
it came out of your hose, dude.
What the fuck? Did you put the soap back in?
No. Why is it
Why is it frothy?
Wait, how hot is this water? It's burning. Oh my god. Feel the water, it's hot.
Oh shit.
Wait, just let it run for a little.
The hose straight from hell, bro. It's got bugs in it. It's burning hot.
We're gonna reset it because there's some like minerals in your water, bro.
Yes.
Why is it white?
I haven't used that hose ever in my life.
5 minutes later.
Wait, why is your water stopping?
Dude, what did you do?
Is that enough water? I'm chilling.
No, it's not working anymore. I'm gonna tell you.
We put a little soap in there. We're gonna test it out with the thing. All right, we're gonna.
Yo, don't.
Okay, I'm gonna try and test it out, guys. We're gonna. Hopefully this works. Here we go. Here goes nothing. Okay, it's foaming up. We need to let it foam first. All right, go. We got it. Let's try it out. Oh my god.
Nobody's paying you for this shit,
Start
bro.
like that. Okay, this is not going very well, but
my god, it's already staining.
It's not that bad.
Wait, but that's why we got this. What do y'all think?
Actually, it doesn't look too bad.
Yo,
I'll say this part looks a little like.
streak stains though. It's a problem.
That's true.
Bro, this is not good. I don't think we could go to businesses like this. Come take a camera real quick. Alright guys, at this point, Joshua and Musa had to go, so I brought back Aiden and Sophia, and we regrouped and got the plan together.
Alright guys, so are you guys okay? Are you guys okay? Alright guys, I got new camera people because my other ones, they had to go. So he'll be our cameraman for the day, hopefully, if things go well. Otherwise, we'll see if he quits or not, but let's go. We're at Walmart. So we have our bucket right here. We just got new water. I did some practice windows at the house.
Hey, it's working out.
Now we're gonna go put this business plan into action and try and get some cash.
Guys, put 1 in the comments if you think Teddy's chopped. 2 in the comments if you think Teddy's not chopped.
Keep this in, don't cut this out, please.
And put 3 in the comments if you like turtles.
You said this on day 1, bro. We're not putting this in the episode again. There's not.
I get the
there's just no
reference.
way. This is just not going in the episode again.
Guys, put 1 in the comments if you want my snap. I'll drop my snap down below.
And that part's
He's
not going.
easy AF BTW.
Wait, can we leave that part in?
Alright guys, we're gonna go ask a couple of these places right here, see if anyone says yes. I just had a question. So I'm doing a YouTube series where I'm trying to turn $1 into World Cup tickets. So I was wondering, right now we're doing window cleaning. So I was wondering if you guys would be interested in like a window cleaning.
Fortunately, I'm not the one to ask. Our manager will be in 3 hours.
Okay.
Yeah, thanks, Chris. You'd have to ask Chris.
Alright, that's fine.
Yeah.
Alright, thank you though.
Have a good one.
You too. Alright, next. The manager is not there right now, so he said come back in 3 hours. Yeah. Hi. So I just had a question. So right now we're doing like window cleaning. Would you guys be interested in window cleaning for like $40 or $50?
For money?
Yeah.
I mean, our owner's not here right now.
Oh, okay.
So he
That's fine.
probably wouldn't pay for anything.
Okay.
I mean, that's cool.
All right.
Good luck.
Thank you. I'm going in. I'm going in, baby. Hi.
Hi.
I had a question.
Yes.
So right now we're doing like window cleaning and was wondering if you guys would be interested for like $40.
$40?
Or yeah, whatever you guys would like to pay.
No, thank you.
No, all right, no thank you. Yeah, have a good day.
What?
After this, we went to a couple more places in the shopping center, but they all said no. And at this point, the day was almost over and we were wasting time and money. So we had to make a sale quickly. But I had one more place that I knew was gonna say yes. What's up? So we're doing our video right now? Are you? Yeah. So we're doing like a window cleaning right now. Would you guys be interested if we did like window cleaning for like some money?
Cleaning for some money?
Yeah, or not?
Sure, there's a lot of windows, dude.
Yeah, we have stuff in the car. We have like a squeegee and shit. And yeah.
I mean, please, if you can.
You guys down?
Yeah, I'm down.
All right, bet. Whatever you like 40 or something like that.
50 bucks.
50, yeah, 50's fine. All right, bet. Appreciate it. All right, bet. Let you know.
Hey, what's up?
All right. Hey, let's go. All right. All right, guys. So that was my barber, Donovan. Shout out Donovan, baby, Old Coast. If you guys need a cut, pull up. But we got a first yes. He said 50 bucks, so we'll do the window and see how it goes. Ready? Got it. Yeah, let's go. 50.
Okay.
What should we start on this one? Start on this one? Okay, they're low-key watching, so we have to do good. Okay, sound good? Yeah. It's looking clean. Someone come in. Look at the door for me. Go ahead. Got you. Yeah. Dude, cut in and go up.
I don't know what is cut in.
Cut in.
Stop saying cut in.
He doesn't know how to cut, dude. How we feeling? How we feeling? Let's look at the ones we did. Are they drying well? Are they drying well? Peep it from here.
I can see it.
Like if you walk, would you be like, damn, those windows look kind of clean.
I feel like, damn, I can see my reflection. There's no good.
Dead ass?
Yeah.
That's what I like to hear.
What are we doing next? Left side?
We got these.
Yeah, whoa.
Great angle. What,
There's a
dude?
flag.
Oh my god, give me this fucking... We need to look professional, bro.
Here, do you want me to do like...
Here.
I would crack Lamine Yamal.
Dude, what?
What?
All right, last one. Last one, guys. Last one.
Guys, these low-key are clean AF.
Are you serious?
You guys kind of ate down on these.
Did we really?
You guys really did.
So then we're good. We don't have stuff for the inside, but...
I was gonna ask you. You do $50?
All right, yeah.
Or a haircut. Or if
Alright.
you're down, you could have both. Double or nothing.
Okay.
You gotta film it.
So 50...
$50 and the haircut.
Okay.
Or nothing if you want. Or you can take the $50 or you can take the haircut. Want to flip for it?
All right, let's do it.
Call it and then you go from there.
All right, so we're flipping for both or
Double or nothing.
double or nothing?
What do you think?
Shit, I think we'll stick to 50.
Just take
Go lie, yeah.
Alright, say less, bro.
All right, bet. Thank you, bro.
Not a problem.
Have a good one. All right, thank you, bro. All right, guys.
How do you feel?
We got our 50
That's strong.
cash. We're done with one job. All our stuff is dirty though, so we are probably gonna switch up the game plan now because we don't have any more stuff. So let's roll out, gang.
We did it! You know, we did it! Guys, we got our 50. Shout out Donovan. Shout out Old Coast Barbershop. If you guys are in the area, I'll pop the address on the screen. Shout out. So we did the windows. We got them all done. All our supplies though are kind of put to use now. So I don't really know if we're gonna be able to use it on another business, but we have made profit off of this business strategy now. So we're gonna probably switch up the strategy, do something else, but first, now we're gonna get Chipotle.
Anyway, guys, after Chipotle, it was already like 3 or 4 in the afternoon, so I decided to end the day there. But I did go back to Walmart and Home Depot and return the items that I could, which brings us to a grand total of $141.20. Yeah! Hey, let's go! Come on! Anyway, guys, that's gonna be it for day 3. We had another successful day today, and I'll see y'all back here next week for the finale, baby. Let's go! Woo!
I'm on the mezzanine. I go so hard just to fuck up my enemies.